Okay, second try. In my pack, I just got all these. I opened 3 packs, got all these. Here. Him. 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 A referee. And Braun Sterling. This is a legit card. Hope you enjoyed. This is just a little recap and a video. Goodbye. Peace. Love you guys and peace out.